Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, we are going to learn how to create collections in Shopify. So click on products and then click on collections. You can see all the collection listings over here, and if you like to create a new collection, click on the create collection button and this form will be opened. Okay, over here you will type the title. So let's say I will type woman, and here you can add the description. Let me just copy and paste the text, and this is the description about your collection. You can add the heading like this, and you can change to heading 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, heading 6 and so on. So I put the heading 2. From here you can make the text bold. So let's add another heading, this one, and select that, and you can make that heading bold, italic, underline, and you can change the color of your text as well. And similarly you can left align, center align, and right align the text. And you can insert the link over here, and you can paste the link wherever you want to take that link, and you can add the alt tag of the link title, and you can open in the same window or you can open in the new window. Next you can insert the image. If you like to insert any image in the collection description, you can select the image and you can insert that image in the description. And if you like to add the video, you can also insert the video, and you can paste the iframe of your YouTube video or Vimeo video. And then you have option to insert table. You can insert table over here, and you can select insert a row above, row below, insert column before, and you can do anything with that table. Okay, next we have 3 dots, and this will give you ability to add bullet points, and you can add the bullet point. Okay, let me just copy and paste more text over here. So you can add bullet point from here. You can remove the bullet point, you can add number list, and you can add outdent and indent as well, and you can clear the formatting. If you have a formatting, you can clear the formatting. Similarly, you can go to the show HTML, and here you can add the HTML if you like. Next, we need to tell what type of collection. Okay, there are 2 types of collection. One is manual and one is automated. If you select manual type, then you need to add manually product in this collection. And if you select automated way, then you can add the condition and product will be added in this collection automatically. So let's try the manual way first, and then go to the edit SEO. Here you can define the SEO title and meta description, and you can change the handle. You can manage publishing, in which sales channel you would like to publish this collection. In my case, I will select all the sale channels, and from here you can select the image, or you can upload the image for your collection, and from here you can change the template if you have multiple collections. So save this, and now do you see we don't have any product, and we need to search product from here, and 1 2, and this is how you can add the products in this collection. And you can sort them by best selling, you can sort them by title, you can sort them by title in descending order, lowest price, highest price, newest and oldest, and manually. And if you select manually, you can drag and drop, and you can change the position of your products. So once the collection is created, you cannot change the type. Like we have a manual type right now, you cannot change it to the automated. You need to delete this collection, and then you can make the automated way. So let's delete this collection automated way. So let's define the product collection title, women, and let me just copy and paste the description, and this time we will select automated way. Okay, products must match all the condition. You can select this one, this should match all the condition, or you can select any condition. So let's try equal to woman, and save this collection, and all the product which has woman tag, they will be automatically come in this collection, as you can see. And if I add another condition, you have a different option. You can add the condition based on the product title, product type, product category, product vendor, product price, product compared price, weight, inventory, and variant title. So let's add another condition and delete this condition, and if the price is greater than $50, then all the products will come here, and you will see the list is updated, and now we have only those products which price is greater than 50. And we can add another condition, like if the product tag is equal to woman and the price is greater than 50, only those products will come in this collection. Okay, let me just remove this condition, and let's try to add another condition, and this time product vendor is equal to company 1 2 3. Only those products will be listed over here. If you reload that, okay, now you see we have only one product. This is from company 1 2 3, and the tag is woman. So let's change this, and we can select this company and save that. Now if the product tag is woman and the product vendor is Sterling Limited, then all the product will be displayed over here. So there is no such products. We need to remove this and save that, and we will have only those products which has a woman tag. Okay, and let's add another condition. If product type is equal to earring, then all the product will be displayed over here. And if I reload, now you can see we don't have any product, but you can change the condition if any of these two conditions met, like if the product tag is woman or the product type is equal to earring, then those product will be displayed over. So I select if any condition met. then put those products in here in the collection. So now if any of the condition met, you will see those products here, and you can see all the products here. And similarly, you can sort them best selling, you can sort them by title, price, and you can sort them manually. If you select manually, you can drag and drop the products over here, and these will be reordered. So this is all about the Shopify collection. I hope this video is helpful for you. Please like and subscribe to my channel, and if you have any question, you can comment below. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video.